What up, YouTube? So today I received the boot for the axle, the rear one. This is a 370Z rear boot. Actually, my bad. This is a 350Z rear boot that's supposed to fit a 370Z and a G, and you know, etc., etc. So I'm gonna open it and make sure it actually does fit. So I'm gonna open this shit right now and let's see what happens. All right, guys. Here's the boot. Some gaskets, I assume, the grease, and these little things. I'm gonna go to the car right now and make sure this is actually the boot. I'm gonna take you along with me. So I hope I didn't get scammed. This was like 20 bucks. So let's go. Alright, guys, the only difference I could tell from this boot, as you see, it has 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Like, this has an extra part, and this one only has 2. 1, 2. But if I line it up, it should fit. Like, I don't know, maybe its material is longer, but it looks like it should fit. I have it on the thing, as you see, like right here. It looks like it should fit. I hope it does fit. Let's see this side. That was just extended because of the boot, because it's worn. This is brand new, so it's pretty stiff. Overall, can't wait to make sure this actually fits. If not, it's a waste of money. See, we took out that. So many refrigerant I need. Looks pretty good. I don't know how he took that shit out, to be honest with you guys. I think he just snapped though. He snapped it up. I think he just snapped it, to be honest with you. We'll use some tweezers and do some stuff. You had a chisel. I believe you need a chisel to separate the housing. So this is still good? Yeah, the axle's still fine. Just adding a new boot. I caught it in time.
Queda grande ahí. No sirve.
Eso no sirve.
No sé, lo veo más. Dime. Dale vuelta. Ya. Papá.
Papá.
Papá siempre salvándote a hacer caja de pinga. Esta bota no es ahí. ¿Oíste?
No, esas botas no son. No es.
Esta bota no es la de ahí.